We're Scott and Marcia Romney.
We're from Star, Idaho, and we have 3 boys. We're married, and
Our boys are older, 19, 20, and 21, so they kind of hang out with us a little bit, not all the time, come and go. But yeah, live in Idaho, been out there for a few years, Star, Idaho, and
built our dream home here and wanted to match our dream home and found this. Did a lot of shopping and finally landed here. We were looking at a light trailer, right? A more of an aluminum type. We didn't want to pull something real heavy, so we found IWS by going online when we saw ATC, and then where can you purchase an ATC, and we found it online.
We ended up buying a 25-foot ATC Toy Hauler. So we can get out in the woods with our toys and go do some adventure stuff. And
we were looking for something that would fit a
we needed
quad
something,
and a 4-seater.
But we didn't want something huge, so I had a nice selection of sizes here and had all the stuff that we needed in it for storage and everything.
When we saw it, it just took our breath away. Actually, I didn't even realize that they made the interior so nice, which was great for me, and it met both of our needs at the same time for space-wise as well. Well, the features.
Yeah, probably mainly something we could get the side-by-side in, obviously. Something that would stand up, last durability-wise, so we go in the woods and all that kind of stuff.
But the interior features we were looking for was also comfort at the end of the day. So
right, something that looked nice.
A shower that we both liked. The bathroom was the most storage I've seen in any toy hauler.
A lot of space.
A lot of space. It didn't have that typical toy hauler feel where you just have one cabinet or a couple cabinets. Like it was definitely roomy. The kitchen looked like, at the end of the day, the features were all from cooking to the blackout shades to the extra large awning, all that stuff.
Well, and it had a lot of the features like the generator. A lot of them you don't get generators with toy haulers. So it's got the nice generator. It's got the fuel station so we can fill up all the toys with gas while we're out and about. And the solar, and just the awnings and the big screen in the back so we can open the back and not have all the bugs come in. So it was just, everything it had was nice. There's a lot of features you can't get in a lot of other things.
And the flexibility of being able to change things.
Yeah,
where
get things
moved around. And
yeah, the movable furniture is awesome.
That was a big plus for us. We would 100% recommend, and we have recommend IWS to anybody that asks us, and I'd like to see more of them here in Idaho. So we don't see a lot on the road, but I think it's getting there, and people have been so impressed by just
the service and everything here, and people have been very helpful. It's been great.
Sam was awesome. We felt like we gained a friend out of all of this, which is really nice as well, and the service was impeccable.
Yeah.
By far the best that we've ever had, and we went to a lot of places.
Definitely we'll purchase here again.
Yes.
And send other people here, because the quality of stuff's great, and the people here are very helpful and nice. And
first class service.
And it's a lot different than most RV places you go to.
We felt like we were building another house, which was great, just for the road. The minute we walked in, we saw our name up on the board, and I just thought that was such a classy, amazing touch, and so personal that, to take the time to see, hello, Marcia and Scott Romney, and what we were just looking for. We hadn't made a purchase or anything, and then as we walked out on the property, there was a gentleman getting his toy hauler, and they had the red carpet out, and just little touches like that. It was just, that for me was this is the right place. We're gonna find something, and if it starts like that, I knew it was gonna continue. So that was kind of my wow.
Yeah, go above and beyond for sure.
I felt like we made the right decision, so.
The services here are great. Even just looking through any little thing, they've already gone through and adjusted stuff or fixed stuff, and it seemed like it's gonna be very helpful and very convenient and just easy to deal with, which is nice, because really getting any pushback, they're just here to help.
And they didn't have one that we were looking for here, but Sam took us to several larger ones, smaller ones, and we were able to build it, and now to see it come to fruition.
Yeah, so we could see all the features just in
but just it wasn't put together.
So,
and which
helped a lot, because we changed a lot of stuff actually walking through the different ones.
Yeah. So it was,
Nice.
yeah, we're excited.